Ubuntu 25.04 previews now available for download. Ubuntu 25.04, codenamed Plucky Puffin, has started its development journey. The final release is set for April 17, 2025. Curious about what's new in Ubuntu 25.04? Daily builds give an early glimpse into the changes in store, though at this stage, major updates are still on the horizon. What to expect in Ubuntu 25.04? A new document viewer is planned for this release, though it hasn't yet been included in the builds. The Linux 6.14 kernel is earmarked for Ubuntu 25.04, though development is currently focused on earlier kernel versions. On the desktop side, GNOME 48 is in progress, but hasn't yet replaced GNOME 47 in the daily builds. Other updates include enhancements to the Security Center app, new features in the OS installer such as a reinstall option, and improved dual boot functionality. One standout change is the use of aggressive compiler optimizations across packages, promising faster performance. Early benchmarks suggest this change delivers noticeable speed improvements. Perhaps this release deserves the nickname Plucky Puffin instead. Who should use daily builds? Daily builds provide snapshots of Ubuntu's ongoing development and are primarily intended for developers, testers, and app creators who want to explore and adapt to changes early. These builds are experimental and not suitable for production systems due to potential instability. Bugs and package updates can occasionally disrupt functionality, so approach with caution. For testing, it's best to use the builds in a virtual machine or on secondary hardware. How to get Ubuntu 25.04 daily builds? The latest daily builds can be downloaded from the Ubuntu seedimage site. Standard ISO images are available for both 64-bit Intel AMD systems and ARM devices. It's recommended to use the most recent ISO from the current folder unless testing requires a pending build. Boot the ISO on a USB device or in a virtual machine to explore the new release.